Right. Let him wrestle. Get back.
Brian, get back.
Right. Get back. I'm wrestling.
We alright?
Make your butt. Stand by your mom. Y'all breathe through y'all nose and out your mouth. Get over there, buddy.
Hey, pause. Let me go help her catch a rabbit.
Yeah.
Wrong position, bro.
She's got that on video, too. Wait, back. Get back, dude. Stop. Let them wrestle. You got to get hurt.
You want to fight this brother? Fight this brother. Now, fight with brother. Fight with brother. Round the pound. Bang!
Wonder who's going to talk first.
On me.
Bud, looking like his stomach, goes. Hey, right, don't be running in the back of there. Dude, no telling what's back there.
You got glasses on there.
Yeah.
Almost
Not
slip.
that good, man.
Almost slipped my foot.
Cut your foot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Damn, boy, he's a fucking good sucker, dude.
Arm bar.
I'll give you $25.
Go!
They're hugging each other. Now you're gonna say I love you.
Brian, get back, dude.
Now.
Now meet up to
They didn't watch it, Brian. You could easily hurt his hand by doing that.
Wait. Raymond, did you just spit on him? Did you just spit on him? Are you lying? Are you lying? Did you spit on him? Did you just spit on him? Huh? Did you spit on him? Tell me the truth. Did you spit on him? Now go sit down. 2 minutes. Now.
Now see, if you would have lied, you would have got spanked.
Thank you for telling the truth, buddy. Stay right there for 2 minutes.
I want to do Brock Lesnar and try and
What you got?